The derivative, average rates of change and instantaneous rate of change. Average rates of change, I call it AROC. This is algebra, the algebra version. This is what you've been doing from time on end. The average rate of change is one quantity over another one. It is the quotient of a change of the first quantity over the change in the other. And it says A and B, there must be two x values in the domain of the function. AROC is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. We say change in y over change in x. Delta means change. Delta y over delta x, change in y over change in x. We also know this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's the old slope of the line. Slope of the line. Given 2 points. Something that you've been doing for a very long time. Very, very, very long time. We're just going to add different words to it. For our purposes, we're going to call it the slope of the secant line. And here's an example of a secant. So here's your function. So that might be f of x. And then I pick 2 points on the function, draw a line between those 2 points. That's the secant line. That's a secant line, what we call average rate of change. So that AROC, average rate of change, is the slope of the secant line drawn between 2 points on a graph. So we could say the slope of the secant, and I usually say m sub sec, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Something we know. Something we know.